Hello, my friends. It's attorney Anthony Bandiero here, bringing you the Roadside Chat. The question comes from an officer in Texas. He says, I'm in Texas. I want to know, if you stop someone for a traffic violation, can you identify the passengers, or can the passengers refuse to give identification? It's a very easy answer. It applies to all states. Well, this first part may not, right? You can under the Fourth Amendment, you can ask for a person's identification or them to identify themselves. It's a lot easier if you just ask for their information, write it down. It gets a little more complicated when you take their ID, not because they may be free to leave, but just because it's a little more intrusive and so forth. But you can certainly ask under the Fourth Amendment for their information. And you can run their information as long as it does not, extend the traffic stop. So it's ideal if you can have somebody else run the passenger. So those rules differ a little bit depending on what state you're in. But under the Fourth Amendment, the rules are the same, of course, right? But the second part is much easier. Can you demand a passenger's ID? Are there any consequences if they refuse? Absolutely not. Do not do it. Do not threaten to arrest them for obstruction unless you have reasonable suspicion as to them. If you end up arresting this person for some violation and because you think that you have obstruction or refusal to identify, expect a very bad day in court. And you can also get sued, and you may lose civilly, because some courts are saying that a person's right to refuse themselves, right to refuse to identify themselves, is clearly established, and you have no reason to order them to identify themselves. So the takeaway here: asking, usually no problem. Demanding, big problem if you don't have reasonable suspicion. Before you leave, hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends. Okay, and I hope I helped you get it right every time. Thank you.
When it comes to law enforcement training, we are the gold standard. Visit bluetogold.com or call 888-579-7796 to learn more about our training, books, and free webinars. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel.